Greetings, and just wanted to give a quick update on what I've been working on lately. I've actually been developing things for quite a while. I haven't been in Unity in particularly. Okay, well, working on another 6 stop template. I originally started out with a game called Core Conflict, but yeah, I just decided to be a little more lazy and try this out instead. So I'm basically making a parody of Descent. So here's a little ship I made. Kinda looks like the Pyro, but not exactly. Haven't made a interior or anything, so just included the mesh from the mesh render. Yeah, I've been working on a rigid body controller for this. Not sure how it'll come out in frame rate here. Yeah, it's a little choppy. I added some headlights since I didn't have any lights fixed into the mesh that I made here. So yeah, I was going for something that would be like a little more cheaper on the budget of time. So yeah, I just modeled a quick thingy that kind of looks like the interior of what you would typically find in a Descent level. Yeah, made a loop around here. So this model I just made in Blender really quickly, so I could have something to have for reference on how the speed of a ship would be moving. Because as it stood when I was making the controller, I'm lost here. There's a good exit down here. So back out. As it stood when I was outside, all I had was these little grids, and when you would be moving around, I would be moving really fast, and I just didn't really have a bearing on how fast I was actually going, since there was nothing to reference other than the little grid line. So it's probably taxing my computer a lot. So there's that, and here's the model in Blender. Just respond really quick. Actually just made a simple mesh and then added a solidify modifier to it. So as you can see, some of the texture comes all weird on the solidify since I didn't properly applied it. So yeah, and then here's some code. It's pretty basic, I think. So it just references what you're inputting and then adds it to a vector, and that just goes into the system. So yeah, that's pretty much it.